If I were to ask you what are two ways of performing query scoping on a Cisco router with EIGRP, I would want you to say, well, I could use the EIGRP stub feature, but there's another feature, EIGRP route summarization. We can craft summary routes, and if I build a summary route, that is also going to perform query scoping, constraining where queries go. And let me show you how this works. And it says here something really interesting. If a router receives an EIGRP query for a prefix, which is described by a summary route, it will issue a reply. So let's see how this would work. Firstly, we have a summary route for EIGRP, summarizing two of the 192.168 networks. Essentially, it's summarizing anything in 192.168. So let's say headquarters loses connectivity to the WAN. It says, I've lost my way of getting to 192.168.12.0. A query will be emanated by headquarters, but GW will reply. It'll say, wait a minute, you've summarized this to me. I can honestly tell you I don't have a way of going. So the reply will go immediately back. And if there were other routers following, let's say there was a chain of other routers, we would not query them. The reply would be immediate, at least in that direction. Now, headquarters would still query BR2, but we would expect a quick reply back, and then we would no longer be in the active status. We might not have a successor, but the query storm has silenced, and we can now stabilize on the new normal.